Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how you can add in and set up ticket tools onto your Discord server. So for that purpose, you'll need to have to log into discord.com, and then you will have to head over to another specific tools, that is ticket tool.xyz. And once you head over to tickettool.xyz, what you're going to do is you're going to click on invite ticket tool. So once you click on invite ticket tool, you're just simply going to authorize it and basically integrate that specific ticket tool into your Discord. You can see I have already integrated it, and I can see that right here into my server. Next up, what you're going to do is you're going to go back to tickettool.xyz and click on manage servers. Now, once you click on manage server, you're going to select the server that you want to manage, and you're just going to simply click on manage. And from the manage settings, you're going to head over to server configuration, where you're going to select the dashboard roles. You're going to click on ticket tool, and you're gonna save that. And once you click on ticket tool, you're gonna have to make sure that the ticket tool role has been already established into your server as well. If you don't have that, you can just simply click on server settings and select and create that specific role as well. You can see I already have that specific server role here, as in the ticket tool. Let me just quickly search that up. The ticket tool is the stuff, the one that I already have here. Now heading back over to this one, now that I have selected the ticket tool, I'm going to quickly save that up. And once that is saved, I'm going to go back. And then next up, you will head over to command configuration, where you're going to click on new ticket for creating command styles and adding in tickets. So you can just select and choose what sort of topic you want to have that in. Let's just say I want to have it in general. I'll click on save, and the disabled channels, I don't want any of those. So the allowed roles could be for the ticket tool. I save that up, and the disabled rules could be for, this is it. Now, all I have to do is save this up and just save this up. Now, since all of these tickets have been set up already into the ticket tool, what you're going to do is you're going to head back over to your Discord and use the ticket tool option to add in tickets. You're going to tell the ticket tool option to add in a ticket, and you can just basically use those prompts, and this way you have seamlessly integrated a ticket tool onto your Discord server to add in the tickets. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Be sure to leave a like, comment down below, and also subscribe.